In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the directional push transition effect in Premiere Pro. To begin, I've imported these two clips into my timeline over here. The first thing you need to do is to go over to Effects and search for Push under Transition and scroll down under Video Transition Slide Push and drag this push transition in between your two clips. If it doesn't perfectly align in the center, select the transition, come over to Alignment and change it to Center at Cut. Now all you need to do is to change the duration to 8 frames and select your preferred direction. So by default, if I come back here and hit play, it slides from left to right. But if you want it to slide from up to down, simply come over to this section and select north to south and come back now. And if I slide, you see it comes from up to down. If you want it to go from down to up, go back and select south to north. And if I go back and hit play, you can see it moves from bottom to top.